Welcome back to Ride and Drive, your ultimate hub for exploring the most powerful machines and defense technologies in the world. Today, we shift gears from wheels to weapons as we dive into one of Russia's most talked about air defense systems, the Pantsir S1, known for its lightning-fast response and deadly accuracy. This surface-to-air missile system isn't just a machine, it's a fortress on wheels. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a defense follower, or just curious about what makes modern militaries so effective, this is a system you need to know about. So buckle up, because we're about to uncover the engineering, firepower, and global impact of the Russian Pantsir S1, a true guardian of the skies. The Pantsir S1 is a highly versatile air defense system that uniquely integrates both missile and gun weaponry to effectively counter various aerial threats. This dual-weapon approach allows the system to engage targets at different ranges and altitudes with remarkable precision and speed. The missile component is designed to destroy targets at longer distances, such as incoming aircraft, helicopters, or precision-guided missiles. At the same time, the rapid-fire guns provide close-range defense against threats that manage to penetrate missile coverage or are too small and fast for missiles to track accurately, such as drones and artillery shells. This combination significantly enhances the system's ability to protect critical military and civilian infrastructure from aerial attacks. Equipped with advanced radar and electro-optical sensors, the Pantsir S1 continuously scans the surrounding airspace, detecting and tracking multiple targets simultaneously. The radar provides long-range detection and target tracking, while the electro-optical system offers high accuracy and visual identification, even in challenging weather or low-light conditions. This multi-sensor setup enables the system to operate efficiently both during the day and at night, in adverse weather, and in environments with electronic countermeasures. The system's quick reaction time is one of its key strengths. Once a target is identified, the Pantsir S1 can engage it within seconds, minimizing the risk of damage to protected assets. This rapid response is crucial in modern warfare, where threats can appear suddenly and move at high speeds. Additionally, its mobility on a wheeled chassis allows the Pantsir S1 to be rapidly deployed and repositioned to respond to changing battlefield conditions or to provide coverage for mobile units. Overall, the integration of missile and gun systems in the Pantsir S1 represents a sophisticated and balanced approach to air defense, ensuring robust protection across a wide spectrum of threats while maintaining flexibility and mobility in operational deployment. The Pantsir S1's advanced radar and electro-optical targeting systems are central to its effectiveness and reliability. As a short to medium-range air defense system, these cutting-edge sensors allow the system to detect, track, and engage multiple targets simultaneously, making it highly efficient on the modern battlefield. The radar system provides long-range surveillance and target acquisition, capable of scanning large areas quickly and accurately. It can detect a wide variety of aerial threats, including fast-moving jets, low-flying helicopters, cruise missiles, and even small unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), which have become increasingly common in modern conflicts. Complementing the radar, the electro-optical system offers a high level of precision and target identification, which is particularly useful in environments where radar signals may be jammed or disrupted by electronic countermeasures. The electro-optical sensors include thermal imaging and television cameras that operate effectively during both day and night. This allows the Pantsir S1 to maintain constant vigilance regardless of weather conditions or visibility, giving it a significant operational advantage over older air defense systems that rely solely on radar. Another important feature is the system's ability to operate in environments saturated with electronic warfare. With its multi-sensor fusion, the Pantsir S1 can cross-verify targets detected by radar with optical data, reducing the risk of false alarms or missed threats. This makes it highly reliable for protecting key military installations, government, buildings, and critical infrastructure. The system's versatility is also enhanced by its automated targeting and firing capabilities. Once a threat is detected and confirmed, the Pantsir S1 can engage the target quickly with either missiles or guns, depending on the range and nature of the threat. This automation reduces operator workload and speeds up response time, ensuring that even fast and unexpected threats can be neutralized before causing damage. The system's design balances advanced technology with practical battlefield needs, making it one of the most trusted and widely used air defense systems worldwide.